How to delete Reddit account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Reddit account. In order to delete your Reddit account, you'll not be able to do it from the application. You'll need to use web browser. After you open up a web browser on the web address bar, type in reddit.com. After you type in reddit.com, it's going to take you to the home page, and once you're on this page, click on a tab bar icon located in the upper right. It's going to take you to the menu page, so from the list, click on settings. As soon as you click on settings, click on account settings under it, and then click on the Chrome button. Now once you're on this page, you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you have an option as delete account. If you're sure about deleting your account, click on the delete button, and as you can see that to deactivate your Reddit account, you need to create a Reddit password first of all. So you need to click on the continue button, and confirmation link has been sent. Now open up your email. As you can see that I received the email, so just tap on it. Over here you have this interface. Click on reset password. So click on Reddit or maybe Chrome, whichever is convenient for you. Now type in the new password. Now you need to mark on this confirmation as well, and then click on set password. Now open up with Chrome once again. Here the password has been saved. Along with that, your account also has been deleted. Now you need to type in your username and then log in into your account. Now go to the same page over here and then click on delete account. Now your account has been deactivated. As soon as you're done setting your password, after 15 to 13 days later, your account will be deleted permanently. In this way, you can delete your Reddit account. That is all for this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.